What would happen if everyday working people just stopped paying taxes, not out of rebellion, but out of necessity? Because right now, millions of people are asking a simple question: how are we supposed to survive and keep funding other countries and even wars we didn't ask for? So, I was watching a live stream recently, Savvy Sabs, and someone brought up something that caught my attention. They said, maybe we should stop paying taxes. And the response was, if everyone stopped, could they arrest everyone? Now that's a powerful statement, but it also raises a deeper question. Is that really how the system works? Let's zoom out for a second, because this isn't really about taxes. This is about something much bigger. If you've seen my video, it's not the left or the right. It's the rich versus the poor. Then you already know where I stand on this. This isn't about political parties. This is about structure. Because the reality is, we live in a system where working people fund the system, but don't benefit from it equally. We're told we can't afford childcare. We can't afford healthcare. We can't afford education. But somehow, there's always money for everything else. So when someone says, what if workers stop paying taxes? They're not just talking about taxes. They're expressing pressure. They're expressing frustration. They're expressing a breaking point. Because think about it. If the majority of people are struggling while contributing the most, then something in the system is out of balance. Now let me be clear. This is not about telling people to break the law. That's not what this is. This is about asking, why does the system rely so heavily on those with the least room to give? Because when people start asking questions like this, it means trust in the system is declining. What if instead of asking, what happens if people stop paying taxes? We asked, why are people even thinking about that in the first place? Because that question, that's the real story. Maybe the issue isn't enforcement. Maybe the issue is sustainability. Because a system only works when the people inside it feel like it works for them. And right now, a lot of people don't feel that way. So hashtag exempt earners isn't just a hashtag. It's a conversation. And whether you agree or disagree, one thing is clear. More and more people are starting to question the system. And once people start asking questions, that's when change begins. And if you're someone who's been feeling this pressure, like the system just isn't built with you in mind, I put together something to help. It's called my AI strategy report. Because while we're having these conversations about systems, you still have to survive inside of one. So this breaks down how to use AI tools to create income, think independently, and build something that actually works for you. If that's something you need right now, check the link in the description. Let's not just question the system. Let's learn how to move smarter inside of it.